How's it going, YouTube? Got a quick unboxing of the Dx5c Spectrum remote. Let me go ahead and show y'all what happened to my other remote, and that's why I'm upgrading. This remote was taking a beating, but it was about time. So let's go ahead and get into it. What else comes in the box? Instructions. That's pretty much all that comes in the box. Nothing else in there. Anyway, got some instructions, the manual. I will be going through that to learn more. I did watch some videos on this to know why I wanted it. So got some straps down. We gotta take that off. All right, guys, we got it. We already got the package. So got a nice feel so far, like the steering. Did also come with this box right here. I believe it's a bomb plug in here. Yep, bomb plug and some double-sided tape. These used to come with a receiver, but not no more. Anyway, why I chose this remote, it got a lot of features that was very simple to use and everything. I'm gonna throw some batteries in here. One of the settings also, you could dial in your curve. I couldn't do that on this remote. Certain features this remote didn't have that I'm gonna put in this one. All right, YouTube, so we got some batteries in here. We're gonna gotta crack it on. So there is a setting in here, a few settings in here that this one didn't have. So that's why I chose this remote. And for the price range, you couldn't beat it. It used to come with receivers before. I think it was a S6000 ABC receiver, but I'm not worried about that. It holds up to 20 receivers on there, which is cars, whatever you put them in, planes or whatever. It holds 20 options for that. Take a quick scroll through. So I did some looking up on this. Okay, gotta do a whole bunch of, see, that didn't have that. So I'm about to get lost in this remote for a little minute. All right, YouTube, so we back. I did go ahead and set this up to like 5 cars. Also, I did throw a 6S ESC in here, so we're gonna get that running. But so far, I'm liking the remote. I got it set up to about 4 or 5 cars so far. Working fine. Everything working. So I ain't got no complaints so far with this. We are gonna test the range and go from there. Got some bashing gear in here for right now, so I can go ahead and test this out. But that'll come in another video. But I just want to get y'all this. And I do got a lot more other remotes. Yeah, I gotta see that. Bunch of other remotes, but not one that can hold all the cars, you know? Got a lot of cars, so if one can hold all of them, that'd be nice. But I do got them other remotes just in case my kids want to drive or somebody come over or whatever. But anyway, y'all stay tuned for the range video on this. After that, we're gonna do a 6S speed run and go from there. All right, thank you guys too.